anong value nitong si Dazzle Paul Aspe.
Si Ayala attacking, missing the shot. Uwe, Uwe is all alone. And he slams partner. He's focused. And sabi niya gusto niya manalo at gusto niya ulit makabalik sa finals kasi alam naman natin partner si Uwe is a part din ng ating Ako Bicol Cup Kamsur with Naga squad. Kaya gusto niya bumawi. So take a look sa alam naman natin yung partner na si Uwe.
And that's the statement.
Yes, partner. Sinali, powering his way. Nabitawan ng bola. Saldana gives the ball to Uwe. Binalik kay Saldana. His first 2 points of the ball game.
Grabe. Natakot si Rebugio doon dahil malaking kalabaw ang kinakaharap niya.
Yun na nga partner, Uwe Medinilla wants to answer back.
That's a long three from Uwe Medinilla.
Yes.
That's his
Pero si Rebugio against the much taller na si Jason Orada. Uwe again is open sa 3 points. Uwe inches closer.
And scores. Ibang klase talaga ang Dazzle Paul Aspe.
Yes, partner. And
he took the opportunity na nakawala sa kanyang depensa.
Kaya si Medinilla crosses over using the glass. Kita mo partner, missing the shot.
Naiwan niya sana yung defender. He created some space for himself pero yung tira ay sablay.
Ayun na si Uwe.
So back-to-back 2-pointers for Uwe Medinilla. Meron siya ditong 8 points.
Ayun na si Medinilla. Wants to attack. Medinilla attacks. Dipsy-do. What a shot, partner.
What a high-flying acrobatics itong si
speed-wise lamang dito si Aspe.
Pero sa height talagang wala siyang paglalagyan kay Bulawan. And what a putback dunk by Uwe Medinilla after that miss by Mark Lester Matos.
Against 2 defenders. Lasala with a putback slam.
Oh! What a putback semi-dunk nitong si Lasala.
Yan na, medyo napabalik doon si Saldana because of that defense na pinakita ni Jason Orada. Yan na si Uwe for 3. Kaboom!
Tying the ball game.
Talaga sa spiral si Voltaire. So ayun na, we are back with 63-65. Lamang po ng Castilla ng 2 puntos. Yan na si Uwe, short jumper. No good. Jeb Bulawan grabbing the board. Binigay dito kay Rebugio. Medinilla against Orada. Rebugio, corner 3. Kaboom!
Pointer na itong si Paeng Rebugio. Meron siyang 8 points in this ball game.
Yan na, Rayales and Bulawan battling it out. Yan na si Uwe Medinilla. Uwe attacking. Uwe stretches this in.
Yeah, what a nice scoop shot from
and all alone si Luberes. Muntik na makapasok pero mintis ang 3-point bomb. Yan na si Uwe Medinilla. Banging bodies.
Banging bodies and using the board.
Yan na si Ayala for 3.
Wala pa rin. And back to Bulusan possession. And there you go! With an exclamation point, Uwe Medinilla.
Uwe Medinilla.
Nag-ala Spider-Man siya doon, partner. Tingnan mo.
Yes, we knew it. That it was coming.